Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deactivate your account on X. And for this, open your X application and then from here tap on your account profile pic left in the top. Then go to settings and privacy and then from here go to your account. Then tap on deactivate your account, scroll down and then deactivate your account. Just fill in your password. Tap on deactivate, yes deactivate, and now I just deactivated my account. But keep in mind, after 30 days, X will delete your account permanently. And if you want your account back, then make sure that you log in between now and 30 days and you will get your account back. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.